piezoelectric effect and transducer physics. 15 to 20 solved MCQ in this session. First question of this series: Curie temperature is defined as A. Temperature where material loss magnetism. B. Temperature where piezoelectric material losses polarization. C. Melting point of PZT. And D. Boiling point of water. The answer is B. Temperature where piezoelectric material loss polarization. Now we move on second question. The second question is Curie temperature PZT typically A 37 degrees centigrade, B 100 degrees centigrade, C 350 degrees centigrade, and fourth 3000 degrees explanation. PZT Curie temperature 350 degree centigrade. Now we move to another question. Question number 3. What happens if transducer is heated above Curie temperature? First of all, A option frequency increases, B sensitivity increases, C losses piezoelectric property, oblique permanently depolarized, and resolution improve. The answer is C piezoelectric property permanently depolarized. Another one, frequency range is used in diagnostic USG. This is the most important question. First, A 1 to 10 Hz, B 2 to 15 megahertz, C 20 to 100 kilohertz, and D 100 to 300 megahertz. Answer is 2 to 15 megahertz. One more question. Wavelength of 5 megahertz USG in tissue is 0.3 mm A, B 1 mm, C 3 mm. Answer is 0.3 mm. Next question. Attenuation of USG in tissue is A 0.5 decibel per centimeter per megahertz, B 1 decibel per centimeter of 1 megahertz, C 2 decibel per centimeter per megahertz. Answer is B 1 decibel per centimeter megahertz. Which medium is highest speed of sound? A. Air, B. Water, C. Soft tissue, D. Bone. Answer is option D. Bone. These five questions basically based on pulse USG mode. Now first question is A pulse mode USG used for A. Doppler only, B. Imaging plus Doppler, C. Therapy only, D. X-ray. The answer is imaging plus Doppler. Second question is duty factor in pulse USG is A. Pulse duration multiplied by PRF, B. Pulse duration plus PRF, C option PRF by pulse duration, and D option 100% always. So answer is A. Pulse duration multiplied by PRF. One more question of this series. Pulse repetition frequency PRF is A. Number of pulse per second, B. Number of cycle per second, number C. Frequency of transducer, number D. Wavelength. So answer is A. Number of pulse per second. Fourth question of this series. Axial resolution depend on A. Pulse length, B. Beam width, C. PRF, and D. FOB. So answer is A. Pulse length. Question number 5 of this series. Increasing PRF causes A. Better penetration, B. Increase max imaging depth, C. Increase risk of range ambiguity, and D. Better resolution. So answer is increased risk of range ambiguity. So now the five question of continuous USG modes. Uh, the first question is continuous wave CW Doppler used for A. Imaging only. B. Measuring high velocity like cardiac stenosis. C. Therapy. D. X-ray. So answer is B. Measuring high velocities like cardiac stenosis. Second question of this is CW Doppler advantages. A. No velocity info. B. No depth info oblique range ambiguity. C. Low sensitivity. And D. High cost. B. No depth info range ambiguity. Third question of this series continuous US ultrasound used for A. Imaging, B. Doppler plus therapy, C. CT scan, and D. MRA. So answer is B. Doppler therapy. Color Doppler has A. Separate transmit and receive crystals, B. Single crystal, no crystal, C. And rotating crystals. Answer is A. Separate transmit and receive crystals.